Hello friends, nice to meet you. Here I'm gonna share you about few things that I've learned in the book Sapiens, which was written by Yuval Noah Harari. Hello friends, nice to meet you. Here I'm gonna share you about few things that I've learned in the book Sapiens, which was written by Yuval Noah Harari. Human beings are considered to be deadliest and smartest living organism in the world only because of the knowledge. So let me share you about the origin of knowledge. Human beings are the main reason for the existence of knowledge on the earth. And the olden days, we are not the only one kind of species that travel around the world named human beings. Like cats who hold cheetahs, lions, and many other species among them, human beings hold a lot of species among them on the time. But we Homo sapiens alone done a lot to the knowledge revolution. Of all, humans differ from animals in the case of the size of the brain. Bigger the brain, bigger the knowledge. And the bigger brain which existed in human beings collected a lot of taxes from the humans from the food that they intake. The reason for the extraordinary evolution of brain from small to big was still unknown. Though it is unknown, researchers push forward two factors for the revolution of brain. The first one, origin of fire. The origin of fire fueled the revolution of brain. Before the existence of fire, humans ate raw flesh, which took a lot of energy from them to digest. But when human beings started to eat cooked food, the energy required for the intestine reduces. As a result, intestine shrinks and brain expands. And the second factor, scientists reveal that walking with two legs also helped human beings in the evolution of brain. Our human ancestors began to walk on two legs to watch out the prey on the savanna lands. Walking on two legs reduces the work to the hands, whereas these hands are engulfed in other sorts of work such as sharpening the tool, etc. Our early two-legged ancestor faced many challenges while walking because of the normal body weight, which was carrying a bigger brain than before, which in turn results in neck pain and headaches for several years. Women were forced to give extra fees for the two-leg revolution. Their birth weight began to shrink. We have to remember that on those days, baby's brain was growing bigger than their ancestors, which leads women to give birth to their child before completely developed. Here, we have to remember that this not completely developed child was like a clay where society can easily shape the child into what they want, whereas the fully developed child was like a glass. When society tries to change it, it might have led to cracks on it. We know that on those days, we are not the only one kind of human species. Well, what happened to other species? Why they aren't alive right now? Human beings are considered to be deadliest and smartest living organism in the world only because of the knowledge. So, let me share you about the origin of knowledge.